Hey y'all, and welcome back to How Do You Cook? Back to Basics. My name is Andrea. For those of you that are new here, welcome to the channel. I am so glad you are here. So on today's video, I thought I would share with you all a super simple and delicious pea salad recipe. I have been asked to make this recipe a couple of years ago by one of my viewers, and you know who you are, and I'm so sorry it's taken me so long. But if you've been following the channel at all, you will know that we've had some family incidences that have happened over just the last year that have been out of our control, and I am so sorry it's taken me so long. But you know who you are, and today is the day. Y'all are going to be blown away at how super easy that this recipe is. So let's get started. First thing you'll want to get yourself is one bag of frozen sweet peas from your frozen section at your grocery store. Make sure they're thawed out completely before you make this salad. So we're going to measure ourselves out 4 cups of sweet peas. So here's 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, and our 4th cup. The next thing we are adding is a 1/2 cup of ranch dressing, a 1/2 cup of freshly shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Get all that in there. 1/3 cup of a freshly chopped red onion. 1/4 of a teaspoon each of black pepper and salt. Next, we're going to mix all of our ingredients together until well combined. Now you'll want to add your pea salad to your serving dish. Now you will want to spread out your pea salad in your serving dish. So now you'll want to cover your pea salad with some press and seal or plastic wrap or whatever you have on hand. Here's your pea salad all ready to go in the fridge. So you'll want to place your pea salad in your refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. You want to give your pea salad enough time for all of your ingredients to marry together and all those flavors combine. It's going to be so good. So let's go ahead and place this in our refrigerator. We'll be back when we're ready to serve it up. It has been an hour since we put our pea salad in the refrigerator to cool and marry all those ingredients together. So now it is taste test time. I do want to show you what the pea salad looks like. And if you notice, I did put our crispy, crumbly bacon on top as we are serving it, because I don't want the bacon to get all mushy down in that pea salad. So let's go ahead and try this out. It looks so good, y'all. I'm going to get a piece of that crispy bacon, some of that onion. Here's your bite. And here's mine. Mmm. Oh, this is delicious. Mmm. All you have to do is combine all of your ingredients together, chill in the refrigerator for approximately 30 to 60 minutes, and then right before you're getting ready to serve, sprinkle your pea salad with that delicious, crispy, crunchy bacon, and you're ready to eat. I hope you all enjoyed this episode on How Do You Cook Back to Basics. And if you did, please hit that like button and please do consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. Until next time, y'all. Bye-bye now.